I'm the Alpha Wolf. Why would I not have a helicopter? You know what? Since you're new here, how about I show you around?
That would be really great.
Alright, you just hang there. I'm gonna grab my helicopter.
Your helicopter?
Yeah, of course. I'm the Alpha Wolf. Why would I not have a helicopter?
Wait, you're the Alpha?
Yeah, I'm the Alpha. Okay, just give me a second. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hey, Miss Wolf down there. Just enter that. You should have like a really safe approach to get in.
Whoa, this looks awesome. Okay, I'll hop in.
Awesome.